Hello everyone, let's make dried pressed flowers at home. These are the flowers I collected from my plant garden outside. They are purple in color and they looked very dimensional, so I thought I would preserve them. And since I would be using them in my resin projects, so I thought I should film it and let you guys know how I do it. I am just arranging them on a flat piece of paper. It's recommended to use a very good quality paper. I have used the printing papers and I'm just arranging all of them on that paper so that I can press them. Once they are all arranged, take a paper towel and cover it. Now we have to sandwich this layer between the two plates. So I'm going to shift this to plate number 1 and then I'm going to put a place on top of it, and yeah, then this is going to the microwave. In the microwave, make sure you're going to add some weight on it. So I use this glass and cup weight, so it's always good idea to have a little bit weight so that they're pressed down. And I will microwave it for 30 seconds, and this is the result in 30 seconds. I might do it for another 30 seconds because I still feel that they're a little bit damp, but they will be perfect to use after you are done another 30 seconds. This is the color change from their original color I was talking about. So they are perfectly dried pressed flowers. I am going to save them in cardboard and then I will just wrap them down and I will use them in my resin projects. This is how I will save them. It's just on cardboard laid together, nicely covered in a Ziploc bag. Let's use them in one of my resin projects. These are the car hanging pendants which I make, and I'm going to use them on these pendants, and I'm just trying to arrange them how they are gonna be on that pendant. And once I have arranged them, I will pour the top clear resin layer and let it cure. If you are interested to know how I make these resin pendants, I do have a video. I will just put it in the link and you can have a look. So that's how I use them in my resin projects. They're fun to use. Not every kind of flower you can press, since they were very easy to lay them flat. I was able to dry them. For example, if you want to press some bulkier ones, you need to press them in some kind of book first so that they're flat, and then you have to dry them in the microwave. But for the smaller flowers, this method has been very successful and I have been using them in my resin projects. This is the final look. I hope you like it.